Hello, good morning, you guys. I am back with another job. Um, companies. I'm back with more than one company, excuse me. And this job right here is called the company is called MyCounselor.Online. And the job role for this position is experienced advocate. And with this job, the salary is $15. The startup is $15 through $17 per hour. And it's a remote position. And the benefits of this job is 401k plan, 401k matching, dental insurance, disability insurance, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, vision insurance, and work from home. The full job description of this job is MyCounselor.org, MCO, is an outpatient faith-based mental health counseling practice with a focus on Christian counseling delivering online through a secure video conference. The practice was founded in 2007 by Josh Spurlock and has grown to approximately 50 employees as of 2022. MCO culture, excellence for our king and clients. Excellent for our king and clients is our motto at MCO. We believe we are doing the work that King Jesus has given us to do in his kingdom, and we want to do it the very best way we can and have a lot of fun doing it. We like the family feel of our organization. We work hard together, have fun together, and support each other through the ups and downs of life together. We hire people who love Jesus, work extremely hard, and are fun to be around. Remote work. MCO is a very tech intensive company. While our services are very people oriented, our operations are very technology geared. That means our employees need to be tech savvy and have reliable internet service. We also do a lot of video conferencing internally as well as with clients and partners. A professional looking backdrop and private office setting is important for remote work. Position summary. The experienced advocate is a part of our member support team. This team works with members throughout their counseling experience at MCO. The experienced advocate is the first point of contact for prospective clients. At our new client matching meetings, the EA listens to prospective client needs to guide them through the most appropriate service packages and matches them with a counselor who is the right fit. This role also assists existing clients with scheduling and billing needs. Since clients may approach MCO with difficult situations, the EA is able to handle challenging or uncomfortable client interactions in a professional manner. EAs also cross train on accounts receivable to provide support to accounting as needed. The responsibilities of this job is answering incoming requests, phone or email, or email, host new client matching meetings, phone and Zoom, create new and up existing client accounts, Acuity, QuickBooks and Box, collect and store client paperwork, Gmail inbox, manage the inbox of Gmail, respond to inquiries, phone and email, follow up with clients, ready to schedule phone and email, add existing client needs for scheduling, billing, etc. And then you have to upload, move, rename, and locate files and folders, inbox, and contact clients after first session right for you. And so many other things, so many other responsibilities that you have with this job, and communicate with team members, attend weekly team meetings, attend quarterly company meetings, provide recommendations for improvement of client and employee experiences, an accounts receivable, cross trains on accounts receivable to provide AR support as needed, as much as 20 hours per week, process invoices, sales receipts, and payments in QuickBooks. places calls to clients to update payment information and request payment on outstanding invoices. Once again, the starting pay is $15 to $17 per hour. These are the benefits once again. And the schedule setting is for this company and for this job position will be evening shift, Monday to Friday. Weekend availability is remote. And they're hiring for 2 candidates for this role. They're urgently hiring and they just got posted today. So the name of this company is MyCounselor.Online. And the job position will be experienced advocate. And it just got posted today. If you feel like something that you would like to get into, go ahead and apply for that job. It is there, it's open, and it's ready to be applied for. So the next job that I have on my list is inside sales representative, appointment setter, customer service position from Bokeh. If I say it wrong, Bokeh Creatives. I was trying to say this word all morning. Bokeh Creatives remote is $20 to $24 per hour part-time. So this is a part-time position, you guys. And the qualifications for this job is customer service 1 year preferred, not required but preferred, and the benefits is a flexible schedule. Full job description: seeing a rock star who can handle warm lead sales, appointment setting, and customer service, working independently from home over the phone. We are a fine art portrait studio at BokehCreatives.com, creating family portraits for families throughout the Sacramento region from our studio in Roseville. The job is part-time, 20 to 25 hours per week, and what you will be doing is answering incoming calls, responding to text messages and email questions, outbound calls to prospective clients who have expressed interest in our photography, paid $20 per hour. Bonuses for going above, beyond weekly and monthly goals. We value family integrity, honesty, connection, and having fun. You should love talking to people and learning about them, their story. Be amazing at asking questions, be a quick learner, be competitive, and love reaching and exceeding goals. You must have a fast and stable internet connection and great working computer. Handle chaos well and flexible to adjustment. So this job, they're considering, they have supplemental pay and bonus pay for supplemental pay, and the COVID-19 considerations. This is a remote phone job, no in-person interactions are required, and they are hiring for 2 candidates for this role. It's got posted today, so if it sounds like something that you would like to do, jump on these 2 jobs. They are great jobs, you guys, and keep on answering those doors that are knocking. They're knocking on your door. There's opportunities to be explored, you guys. Just go ahead, apply. Excuse me. Apply and get into it, you guys. These jobs are here for you guys. Have bad allergies, excuse me. You guys, I always have bad allergies. But yes, these jobs are here for you guys. Like and subscribe and hit the comment button. Comment down below and hit that notification bell. Hit that subscription button, subscribe button. Guys, come on. Let's get into it. Keep on sparking, keep on shining. Come on, Diamond Crew. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Don't be deterred. Just keep on going. Consistency is key, you guys. You guys got that in you. Consistency is key. All right. I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.